Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming permissions and collecting visual assets so you can act fast. Once you have owner or designer access, pick a site template that matches your audience, communication for broadcasts, team for collaboration. Make sure your logo and header are sized correctly. 1200 by 300 pixels avoids stretching. Also note your primary and accent hex codes. That keeps colors consistent. Now open the site settings and access, change the theme and header layout, and start applying those assets immediately. Once branding is placed, refine the layout to guide users where you want them to go. Start by organizing the home page with 1 to 3 column sections. Add web parts like Hero for focus, quick links for actions, and highlighted content for dynamic files. Then configure navigation, set hub association, and pin global links so users find key resources. Make sure to use audience targeting on links and news so content surfaces to the right teams. This boosts relevance and reduces clutter. Finish by optimizing and publishing with confidence. Run accessibility checks and mobile preview to ensure readability and navigation on phones. Use performance metrics to reduce large images. Enable the site footer with contact info and set scheduled publishing for recurring updates. Once published, monitor usage and adjust components based on analytics. If something breaks, clear your browser cache or test in a private window, verify permissions, and then republish the corrected page. That resolves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.